I think everybody's all jealous and shit, cause I'm like the lead singer of the band, and I think everybody's got a fucking problem with me, dude, and they need to take it up with me after the show. Because
One, two, three. Joseph?
You're walking in the woods.
Hey, listen!